Hi, I am Ahmed. I am a senior full stack developer and a fundamental investor. I have combined these two skills to automate fundamental analysis. In this video, I'll show you how I actually tried to automate Warren Buffett's investing brain using Python. I ran it on S&P 500 and it was brutal. It rejected 492 stocks. Only 9 companies passed the test. Warren Buffett spends 8 hours a day reading annual reports just to find one winner. I am a software engineer. I have got a job. I have got a life, and I don't have that kind of time. So I asked a different question. Can fundamental analysis done by Warren Buffett be automated? Because if it can, it saves a massive amount of time, considering there are over 500 companies in S&P alone. I translated Buffett's core philosophy into a raw Python script. It acts as a filter, not a crystal ball. It looks for four specific things taken directly from Buffett's letter over the decades: cash flow, safety, truth, and price. I ran it against the entire S&P 500 index, and today I am going to show you the code, the failing companies, and the only 9 survivors that math actually loves. Let's get to the dashboard I made. Currently, it is scanning S&P 500. Meanwhile, let's look at the rules I followed. So, rule number 1, the cash engine. Buffett calls this a morgue. Mathematically, it's ROIC, return on invested capital. My code demands 25%, not because Buffett says a specific number, but because only truly exceptional business can sustain that level. This measures efficiency. If a CEO can't generate a high return on the money they already have, why would I trust them with mine? Rule number 2, the safety score. Leverage is a trap. It boosts growth today, but destroys you when the economy is slow. My script calculates a safety score based on debt to equity. If they owe more than they own, the script flags them as fragile and moves on. Rule number 3, the lie detector. It is a big one. Free cash flow is a fact. My code compares net income to the actual cash hitting the bank account. If a company claims they are making billions but their bank account is empty, the dashboard marks them as suspicious and purges them immediately. Rule number 4, the valuation batch. The code found the quality, but it also checked the price. Even a great business is terrible investment if you overpay for it. My system only highlights these companies if they are in the fair or bargain zones. These aren't just good companies, they are companies at a price that actually gives us margin of safety. That margin of safety is difference between investing and gambling. Most people don't lose money because they are stupid. They lose money because they don't follow the set rules. They lose because of emotions. Most of the stuff you hear on the news is just noise. People buy narratives. They buy the AI hype or the energy pivot. But buying narratives is exactly how you end up stuck in a 50% drawdown. That's why I hard coded strictly defined rules into this thing. If a stock fails even one, it's dead to us. I have already paid the stupid tax on that mistake. Now I use code to make it never happen again. To my system, a business isn't a story, it's a machine. It takes in a dollar and it better spit out more than a dollar on the other side. If it doesn't do that consistently, my script deletes it from the database. No feelings, no bias, just the math. Now let's have a brief look at the code. If you don't code, don't worry. You don't need to know Python to understand the logic. But the devs watching, there is no black box AI nonsense here. It's just 200 lines of clean, disciplined filters. Doing this scan by hand for 500 stocks would take a human months. My script finishes it in 42 seconds. Let's go back to the dashboard and see which companies failed the test. These are the failed companies you can see. So let's search some of them. Nvidia failed on being expensive. Its yield is only 1.3% and poor cash quality. Let's see Tesla. Weak mode. Their Margins are too thin and they are expensive. The system doesn't care about the CEO's Twitter feed or what's trending on the Reddit. It's currently rejecting 98% of the market because it refuses to compromise on the quality. This is what discipline looks like. It's boring, it's quiet, but it's ruthless. Now let's see what's left. We have 9 survivors from S&P 500. Let's see. So let's see at our survivors. We can see the cash engine ROIC greater than 200%, FCF yield is 5.4, their price is fair. S- See the balance sheet safety, quality score. Here we have the bargain price. Look, I want to be honest, the code is a filter, not a crystal ball. Buffet also cares about management and business simplicity. These are qualitative things and can't be coded, but using code does one thing perfectly. It keeps me from buying garbage. I'm not a guru. I'm just a builder. And builders test ideas instead of just believing them. Because I want to prove this is real, I have made this entire project open source. You can download my Python scanner and this dashboard from my GitHub right now. The link is in description. Fork the report, tweak the rules, and run it on your own watch list. And hey, your feedback is gold to me. If you want to see specific change in the dashboard, leave a comment. I'll actually write the code and update it. Also, let me know what I should build next. Do you want a deep dive in why a bot rejected Nvidia or maybe a scan of a different market? Let me know below. I am going to be sharing a lot more of these automated analysis. So if that sounds useful, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate the support. If you want dopamine, follow the hype. If you want results, follow the math. I'll see you in the next build. Thank you.